This is the world's first wine-backed crypto asset. This isn't a future, it's an asset backed by a token. That's it. We're not looking to raise funds through an ICO to go out and produce wine. We've already produced the wine. Basically what we're doing is using a token to sell the wine, and this way allowing the market to decide what will be the price of the wine. We harvest the grapes, make a bunch of wine in the month of April. We know how many bottles there's going to be, and as soon as we know how much wine there's going to be, on the 6th of May, we issue a corresponding number of wine tokens equal to the number of bottles. So in the year 2018, we'll have an MTB 18 token. Maybe there's 15,365 tokens equals 15,365 bottles. Those are sold and then go on to an exchange, so the price can fluctuate. People can sell and buy their tokens. 3 years later, that wine is ready to drink. And on the Costaflores e-commerce site, you'll be able to spend those tokens to buy bottles of wine. And you can drink those bottles or you can resell them for other forms, so dollars, euros, pesos. The first year we're doing this, we're actually launching at cost of our production. And since we're transparent in our accounting, we know exactly how much our cost was for the bottle. Once the token sale is finished, we'll put these tokens into an exchange. So if you bought 100 tokens at a certain price during the ICO, and people that missed the ICO want to buy tokens afterwards, you can offer at a higher price and pocket the difference. The reason we're doing this essentially is because we want the market to decide what would be the accurate price for a bottle of wine of that particular vintage and follow this forward. The price element is really important because wine changes in quality over time. So we might have the 2018 vintage, which will be drinkable in 2021. That's when we're actually delivering these bottles. But from 2021 into the future, the quality is going to go up at a certain point, level off, and then start to fall off. Now, exactly when that happens, we don't know. This happens differently with every vintage. But we want to see how the market, using the tokens based on the blockchain, can determine that price and follow that curve of the quality itself. This is all a big experiment. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen with the token price for the wines, or how the data is going to be used in all kinds of unexpected ways. So right now we're sharing this with other people in academia to see what they think, but it's really an experiment that we're playing with to answer some of these interesting questions about what's the ideal business model for a winery.